Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of my nature journal. This is something that I've been wanting to make for a long time, and I don't know why it took me so long to make this because nature has always been one of my favorite things, and journaling in nature is one of the best ways you can connect to nature, and also one of the best ways that you can journal, because when you're in nature you're calmer, your blood pressure's down, you're not thinking about your problems as much. It's a perfect time to shut your mind off of those types of the ways of thinking, slow your brain waves down, get into a relaxed state. It's just the ultimate environment for journaling. So this journal has 14 pages, including the cover page here. So you can print it off, put it in a binder, and carry it with you to the park, wherever you do your nature journaling. So this is one of my favorite pages of this journal. It basically covers everything that you need to do as far as observations. You're writing down the location, the weather, things that you can see, hear, smell, feel, and taste, animals around you, bodies of water around you, trees around you, cloud observations, or any other observations. You're basically getting yourself in touch with everything about your environment. Here is a sketch page where you can draw or sketch your view or any object in your view. Here are some outdoor journal prompts. Journal prompts for outdoors are so amazing because, like I said, it's really, it's the best way to connect to nature. Absolutely. And here's a weekly nature tracker. So this thing also works as a tracker. You can record the time that you spent in nature and the things that you did in nature. So each one of these is for a week, and you can just print a new one whenever you need a new one. And here is a yearly tracker. So you got the months up here and the days. So the instructions say you can fill in the whole box if you spent an hour or more outside, and fill in the box only halfway if you spent just a few minutes to an hour outside. That way you can take one glance at this chart and you'll be able to see exactly, how you're doing, and also you can kind of tell your patterns. And of course you're going to be outside less in the winter, unless you are one of those people that loves winter sports and winter outdoor activities, or if you live in the South where you have no winter. So you can use that however you like. And here is a monthly planner page for your nature activities. This is an undated planner, so it can be good for any month. Just fill in the dates. This is a good way to kind of take all of the activities you want to do and plan them out. So, whatever day works best for you might be better to do, what you're biking or walking or hiking, or maybe just meditating outside, things like that. And then there's also a page for the week. So whatever day of the week works best for you to plan those activities. And then here are printable inspiration cards, or they could be used as stickers too. You can print these on sticker paper. You can print them on cardstock if your printer allows. Not every printer will print on thick paper, but you can use sticker paper and then just stick them to the cardstock. Or you can print them on regular paper and cut them out and stick them in a frame. So what these are just nature suggestions and ideas and inspiration. There's, I think, 4 pages of these. So those are pretty cool. So this nature journal is available in my Etsy shop. Again, this is printable, just like everything else that I make. And it's very inexpensive. It's a great way to get in touch with nature through journaling, which is such a great combination, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.